To our primetime news follow-up now, there are desperate appeals for the government to provide answers on why restoration work at the Glengoffe police station in St. Catherine has stopped. It comes months after repairs started to renovate the termite and rat-infested building. As Kalisha Williams reports, the situation is worsening.
No, it's not an animal shelter. A cat and her kittens have joined the rats and roaches at the Glengoffe police station in St. Catherine. It comes months after this room was left opened as masons carried out work at the facility. Now the repairs have suddenly stopped, exposing the station to stray animals among other things.
As far as I'm concerned, the only thing that is not happening at the station is that the police, they are not, when the rain falls, they are not wetting up. That's all. But they are left at the mercy of God right now.
The station has been stripped to a shell and tiling of the floors has started. But the way the work is being done is raising concerns.
Just some mediocre work has been done there. A little bit of work has been done in the kitchen area, and that's it. So I would say the station is pretty much in the same state that it was in before the work started. A little bit of tiling work was done, and I think the workmen, they are working in reverse. The concrete work should have been done, and they actually start to do the tiling.
The reconstruction is affecting the guard room, half of the accommodation, the pantry area that they have, and where they used to use as a makeshift recreation here, because it wasn't really anything. That is now under reconstruction. So if you pass in the days, you will see the policemen standing outside.
And to make matters worse, the bathroom has moved from deplorable to out of order, forcing the officers to use the facilities of neighbors nearby.
Officers have actually called me, and I've actually directed them to citizens in the community that are upstanding and where their facilities are clean. That is where it has gone to. They can't use the bathrooms that are there.
Councillor for the Mount Industry Division, Roger Curlew, said he's shocked that the work has stopped suddenly, as he was told $14 million was allocated to repair the station.
I wrote to the commissioner's office, and I even wrote to the National Security Office, addressed it to the minister. I have not received any response at all. My secretary tried calling also, and we have not received any information at all. And it's sad that in this country, if a demonstration is not held, or citizens don't come out in large numbers to demonstrate, nothing is done.
The Security Ministry had told us in November that the JCF's Property Management and Maintenance Division, PMMD, took responsibility for Glengoffe Police Station. When we contacted the PMMD today, Sergeant Courtney Chambers said all he could say is that his team is still awaiting additional building materials to complete the work. Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.